Want to take control of your finances? FirstPlus has the answer. Have you ever noticed how some of life's expenses tend to take priority, while others get put on hold? Meeting routine costs can leave important things stuck at the bottom of the list, and an unexpected bill can really make a mess of your finances. A FirstPlus homeowner loan can help you get your finances back on track by rearranging any existing credit into one low monthly repayment. You could borrow anything from £5,000 to £100,000, and if you call today, you can take advantage of this special offer. This special introductory offer is only available for a limited period. It's quick and easy to arrange, so call FirstPlus today on 0800 479 8000 or visit firstplus.co.uk and stay on top of your finances.